YouTube, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nicole Anthonique, and today we are going to be installing some crochet hair. I did get tired really fast of my other faux locks, but in all honesty, my hair was just really dirty and I needed to wash it. So I went ahead and took it down, washed it, and installed Freetress Ringlet Wand Curl in the color OT30. And you will be seeing the process of me installing the hair today. So if that is something that you are interested in, then just keep watching.
If she let her fuck, she suck it up. Make her fall in love. Put that on her tongue, perky on her tongue. She do it, walks for us, make her one of us. Ice on my neck, I'm dark skin, glowing. The perky out, rolling, valet, walking. I'm screaming, I'm walking. They ain't love you like you started. I'm a perk though retarded. They know I'm I need that respect. 700 grams, like super gas. Niggas on the face, keep on showing until it's the life. I'm in 23, I'm on percent. 20 years over, I'm like a fat. Before I show up, you better invest in the best. Nigga, cause you think you left. You go to the phone, huh? A fucking pass, a short nigga, you should've thrown me up. Master, Lamborghini truck forward. Got your bitch in the back, boring. She like, Poppy, I adore you. I'm like, baby, I ain't know you.
Bloody Mary, pushing the yard anymore. Don't say LeBron anymore. Yeah, nah, let it off. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, 45 in my drawers. You say I sound like a dog. On guard, I'm a fraud.
Okay, y'all, so I am finished installing the hair. This is all the hair that I have left, not much. So now I'm just going to kind of play around with it to see how I want to do it. I left my edges out so that I can kind of hide the knots. So I might have to, because you know my hair is relaxed, so I'm gonna have to like either just hide it within the hair or kind of do a take some like a wand curler or a flat iron or something and put some curls in the hair. I like the color. It's not as in your face, like it's still a 1B30, but it's not like a bright 1B30. This is the same hair I did with that wig in a previous video, but it was 1B. But yeah, I like it. So I'm going to just kind of cut in it just a little bit. This is a lot of hair, y'all. Just cutting some scraggly pieces, not too much because I already like the way it falls, so I don't have to do too much to it. Okay, this is cute though. I can still do like my half up, half down styles. Maybe like a mohawk situation. It's a lot of hair. I can figure it out. So yeah, I'm gonna play around with this hair. I'll probably do it off camera, like my edges and blending and all that, but so far I like the hair, so we're gonna see what it's talking about. We're gonna play around and figure out what we're gonna do with this hair. Okay, YouTube, that concludes today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad.